Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Mentor, your ultimate guide to making money, mastering AI, and growing your financial intelligence. Today, I'm sharing 5 smart money tactics that can seriously change your financial future. These aren't your typical save more, spend less tips. These are actionable strategies you can start using right now. Stick around to the end because tactic number 5 is the key to long term wealth, and most people ignore it. First up, automate your savings and investments. Why leave saving money to willpower when you can make it automatic? Use apps like Acorns or Capital to round up your everyday purchases and invest the spare change. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account or investment portfolio every payday. This way, you're building wealth without even thinking about it. It's like putting your finances on autopilot. Quick fact: studies show people who automate their savings are 5 times more likely to hit their financial goals. Be the 5x, not the I'll do it later person. Next, leverage AI to manage your money. AI tools aren't just for businesses, they're powerful for personal finance too. Apps like YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Mint use AI to analyze your spending and recommend ways to save. For investing, platforms like Betterment and Wealthfront offer AI-driven robo-advisors to optimize your portfolio. These tools help you make smart decisions without needing a finance degree. Let AI do the heavy lifting. You just enjoy the results. By the way, if you're finding these tips useful, hit that like button and subscribe to AI Mentor. We're all about helping you make smarter money moves with AI and proven strategies. Third on the list, invest in index funds. Everyone loves to talk about picking the next big stock, but let's be real. Most people don't beat the market. Index funds like the S&P 500, VOO, SPY give you exposure to the top 500 companies in the US over the long run. They've returned about 10% annually without you needing to pick winners and losers. It's a low-cost, low-stress way to grow your money. Think of it as owning the whole team instead of betting on a single player. Number 4, don't let your money sit idle. Instead, use a high-yield savings account. Traditional banks might give you 0.01% interest, which is basically nothing. But high-yield accounts from places like Ally, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, or SoFi offer rates of 4% or more. If you have emergency funds or short-term savings, make sure they're earning money. It's like giving your cash a job instead of letting it be lazy. Finally, the golden tactic: build multiple income streams. Relying on just one paycheck is risky, and it limits your potential. Start a side hustle like freelancing, content creation, or consulting. Consider passive income sources like digital products, dividend stocks, or real estate investing. Use AI tools to create content faster or automate tasks in your side business. The goal? Have money coming in from different sources so you're protected and your wealth grows faster. Remember, millionaires have an average of 7 income streams. How many do you have? These are 5 smart money tactics to help you level up your finances. To recap, automate your savings and investments. Use AI tools to manage your money. Invest in index funds. Put your cash in high-yield savings accounts. Build multiple income streams. If you found these tips valuable, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which tactic you're going to try first. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Mentor for more strategies on making money and using AI to your advantage. Until next time, keep making smart moves. Subscribe for more money tips.